Respected Director Dr. Ananth, Deans, Professors and Faculty of IIT Madras, Professor Ranganathan, Professor Sampath's family, classmates and fellow IITians. I consider it an honor to address you at the Pioneer Reunion. My IIT name is PMV Subramaniam, 1.084/59 from the first batch, now Malekpucha. I am working as a senior systems engineer for Lockheed Martin at NASA Johnson Space Center Mission Control Center 21 project at Houston. As you may be aware, 3 of us from IIT Mana have proposed to establish an endowment fund to institute chairs in the names of professors, pioneers, and architects of the institute to honor their services to the student and to the institute. The board has unanimously approved the creation endowment chair in the name of late Professor Sampath from the early set of faculty members. With the help of Professor Enakshi Bhattacharya, Ram Nagarajan, Deans Dr. Sriram and Krishnaya and Dr. Ananth, the Senate has approved the proposal on July 12th. Director Dr. Ananth will make the formal announcement of Professor Sampath's chair later this afternoon. This initiative is an extension of an advice given by the humanities professor R. Krishnamurti to us in the fall of 1963. He beseeched us to keep in touch with the professors and faculty after their graduation with visits to the campus and to keep their welfare in their minds. The purpose of the fund, which is part of the Golden Jubilee Fund, is to provide a sustainable way to institute chairs in the names of professors who have made profound impact on the students. The launch of Dr. M.S. Ananth Endowment Fund on June 1st, 2011 is an example of the alumni desires to honor the professor director who has made profound impact on the students as well as to the institute. Dr. Ananth, as you know, AC College of Technology has provided the physical infrastructure for the first 2 years of IIT Madras existence. In the middle-aged years, as the director and the alumnus of AC College of Technology, you have provided the intellectual infrastructure stimulus. As you relinquish the office of the director, you are leaving the IIT Madras Research Park as your hardware legacy and the NPTEL courses as your software legacy. Thank you, sir. We sure have a dynamic system in equilibrium. The plan for Professor Sampath's chair is to raise the funds to the level of $350K or more from the individual and corporate donors across the world to support the initiatives. By the end of this year, a formal chaired professor announcement to be made by April 16, 2012, which will mark the 87th birthday of respected Professor Sampath. Professor Sampath has made very significant contributions to the engineering education in India at the Institute of Science, Bangalore, and IIT Madras and Kanpur. He has restructured the recruitment and assessment systems at DRDO. He has played prominent role in government policy formulations at the Electronics Commission. All these details and his bio will be available on the website shortly to facilitate your contributions. Professor Sampath, your student of 1964, the most eligible bachelors in the country. That's how he addressed 107 of us in the high voltage highway on July 10, 1964, are the most benevolent grandparents in the world now. Finally, on behalf of all your students at Institute of Science Bangalore, IIT Madras and Kanpur, we thank you for being there for us when we needed most. Thanks to your guidance and advice, we became the competent professionals in the global enterprises, and more importantly, because of our association with you, we became better human beings. Thank you, Professor Sampath. Chudaman Mami, thank you for taking care of Professor Sampath so that he can mold and craft us to be the excellent students of life. Thank you all for your time.